Ever feel like you're constantly battling with your thermostat, trying to find that perfect balance between keeping the house comfortable and actually keeping your energy bills under control? We've all spent time walking back and forth to a clunky, outdated dial, only to realize the house is still either too hot or too cold. That's exactly why the Honeywell Home X7S is a total game changer for your home's climate. It's smart enough to do the work for you, while giving you complete, sleek control over every detail. The first thing you'll notice is that beautiful 4.3-inch customizable touchscreen. It's not just there for looks. It's an intuitive command center that puts your temperature, humidity levels, and energy stats right at your fingertips. Unlike basic thermostats, the X7S gives you real-time humidity monitoring and control. That means you can tackle that sticky, muggy feeling in the summer or the dry, harsh air in the winter, ensuring your home stays at an optimal, healthy comfort level year-round. But the real smart features are what set this apart. Being Energy Star certified, it's built from the ground up to help you save money by learning your habits and adjusting accordingly. And because it supports Matter, Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home, it integrates perfectly into whatever smart home ecosystem you already use. Whether you want to change the temperature with a quick voice command from your couch or adjust it from your phone while you're out running errands, the X7S makes it happen instantly. Installation and usage are a breeze, and with its advanced sensor features, it ensures that even temperature coverage throughout your rooms, so you aren't dealing with hot or cold spots in the house. It's reliable, it's highly efficient, and it is easily one of the most cost-effective ways to upgrade your home's infrastructure. If you're ready to stop wasting energy and start living in a home that perfectly matches your comfort preferences, this is the upgrade you need. You can find the best price for the Honeywell Home X7S by clicking the link below.